Oops, the Wi-Fi just took a nap. You're on vacation, soaking up the sun, until your phone buzzes with a nightmare. Wait, the chart. It's broken. A giant gap in the middle of my data. What now? Am I losing money every second it's offline? Relax. Your wireless Sigen Power Sensor never forgets. How? Because inside the Sigen sensor, there's a digital fortress. The moment Wi-Fi drops, the smart chip locks your data into a secure virtual vault. 1 day, 10 days, even up to 30 straight days off the internet. The moment Wi-Fi is back online, the system responds instantly. Every single saved data point instantly takes flight, syncing straight to the cloud. Zero manual resets, just seamless energy management. Every single kilowatt hour, exactly where it belongs. The picture is complete. Sigen Power Sensor Wireless, 30 days offline, zero data lost.